Good afternoon, everyone. I'll be streaming this afternoon all alone. No brother, no dad. Nobody wanted to join me. Everybody wanted to enjoy the sun. All alone today. All right, what do we have here? Still holding this SMT. I'll be very cautious this afternoon. I took a winner this morning, so I don't want to overtrade today. Quit while you're ahead. All right, so my targets for this afternoon are probably going to be previous day low as ES already took it out. Maybe we could still get a big sell-off around 2 o'clock. We'll see what it wants to do here. Good afternoon, Miss Sousa. Hanging around back in the new day opening gap. We have the new week opening gap here, previous day low below. These could be potential targets to go grab in the afternoon. Where is ES here? ES still hanging down below previous day low. Nothing right here for me. We have so many highs to go grab as well. These highs are a great target for a little up move. A lot of liquidity here as well. And we wait. It's probably going to be a slow afternoon.
Oh, bloody, bloody. You bloody.
Oh, bloody, bloody.
It's beautiful outside, man. I would
Yeah, no,
sit in
I'm
the sun
crying.
all day in the pool.
I'm crying. Cat's pool's ready too.
Boom, boom, boom. Boom, 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 boom. I got her log in again.
Hey, you know who I saw at the gym?
Who did you see?
I don't know if you remember him. He went to Le Tendre. He was a pretty big guy, and he was like a wrestling champ or a sumo champ or whatever it was. Il jouait au foot, c'était un grand, big costaud guy québécois. Well, costaud. Just a big dude, plus size.
Wrestling at Le Tendre?
Yeah, there was no wrestling at Le Temps, but remember he got a medal because he a gagné un championnat de wrestling or
Well, what's his name?
I forgot his name, bro, and I just saw him today at the gym. I went to go say hi. He was like tall and big. He hung out more
No
with the
idea.
French kids.
Oh,
Which
absolutely
year
no idea.
he hung out with the kid that you knew, Etienne. Remember that Québécois Etienne? He had like a sister. He took the 26 with us or something.
I don't know, man.
Yeah, no, it's hard to put a face, but if you'd see him, you'd recognize him right away.
Yeah, probably.
Anyways, yeah, he said he just signed up. Il fait chaud dehors, mon gars. This 1 for 2's banging towards 10 o'clock, but it looks clean, huh? To go get the highs of the lunch PM session, of the lunch session. Looks pretty clean.
Yeah, right. You're on a discount, but overall, you're not that bullish right now. Good work. It's not the best setup. I would avoid it. Especially that you're right at 10 a.m. open.
Yeah, I know. Still looks clean though. The afternoon, it's like we have like miniature market maker buy or sell models.
It's not a terrible setup if you have a crap ton of highs to go grab.
Yeah, I know. I saw.
But I'd rather start to see us respect bullish structure before taking along. It's way more probability than guessing where the bullish structure is going to start to form.
Yeah. I haven't updated my phone in so long, and it finally had no choice but to do it.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it sucks. It's not that I had no choice, that every single night I used the sound to go to bed. So it never had time to do it. And then one night, Cat got scared and she's like, no, close the sound. And that day I didn't use the sound, my phone updated. It's been waiting.
Repeat what you just said.
Don't remember.
You don't remember? He said something, and now you're. Woo.
Yeah, what I said was,
Let me tell you what I said.
let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Oh, he's lagging.
I'm lagging.
No, you just like you stuttered.
Anyway, so yeah, I never updated my phone. I've been behind on like 6 months. I was like, I'm gonna keep doing it like that because I didn't like how everyone's phone looked like on the updates. And it finally caught up to me. You know what's funny? I saw your trade this morning and I'm like, I wonder if that's David's trade.
Which one?
The one that you probably took. Uh, you took a short at 1048, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Only reason why I liked it is because we came back. We literally tapped that breaker block into the fair value gap,
Yeah, we also came back
and,
and swept everything.
and then we respected the 1044 fair value gap and closed the 1037. So I said like
Yeah,
it's not one I would normally take, but just given the fact that there's all these confluences, I'm like, well, why not?
yeah. I saw it look super clean. Oh, my OBS is not here. Oh boy, hey Teddy. Teddy. Teddy's back. Guess who's back? Back again. Teddy, you like comedies? Did you see the new movie coming out, Scary Movie 6? I can't wait for it. It's gonna be so nice. The party's here, Mike. You didn't want to join the party. You got uninvited.
Uninvited.
Uninvited is crazy. He's so funny, futures floor. Exactly, Martin. You don't have room for crazy Mike here. Alright, I still think we're going to be moving up slowly. Let's go up. Back to the basics. Martin, did you catch any trades this morning? Me and David both caught a winner this morning. Yoo-hoo! Yippee! Tell you the PMs have been great for like little market maker buy models, market maker sell models, just like the session right before it. Do, 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 do. The PM trade for 10 points. You should code an algo that alerts when there are equal lows or equal or highs on ES and NQ at the same time. I don't have same time, Mike, but I do have an algo that, well, not an algo. I have an indicator that shows equal highs and lows. For example, here there's equal lows. Look, there's a little red line. Equal lows. This little red line. It shows me. Wow, look at his fucking trade. Tapped exactly the tip of that order block at 1322. Came back down, tapped it, and it's going back up now. PMFT. PM FaceTime call. Yeah, futures floor, but what is it going to do? It's going to keep telling me when there's lows and highs at the exact same time. They're not equal. They're just swing lows, I said. They're not equal lows. For it to happen at the exact same time, I'd rather check. You know how many times you're going to have highs and lows at the exact same time? Just keep your eyes on the chart. It won't help me much. Get up early for pre-market. Yeah, pre-market blows. I never trade pre-market. Normally you get news at 8:30 and that's it. Keep your eyes on your fries. Keep your eyes on your pizza. Guess who's back? I'm on the 1 minute time frame. All my trades are on the 1 minute. I just use the higher time frames as What do you see here? Oh, okay, my cam's here, so you can't see it. Look, it's up here in the corner. I know it's hard to see. Ask Martin. Who's Martin? Ah, okay, angry ace. Take the high and the low from 6 to 9:30 p.m. Yo, this light here is giving me headaches and making me blind. AM 6 to 9:30. Tell me what to do, Martin. I'll take a look at it. Or 6:30. So technically this is the high and this is the low. Or 6:30. So here the high and the low. Then what do we do? Ah, 1 minute Heikenai Shi bars. Okay, no, we'll do that. Well, what is it though? Continue and I'll take a look at it another day. They're good, the Heikenai Shi bars. Martin, what's the trade though? You take the Heikenai Shi bars, the high and the low from 6 to 9:30, and then what do you do with it? One side is taken and you wait for the first candle of the opposite color to be printed. Okay, so it's like a reverse back to the mean. That's your entry, first target EMA 20 and the rest break even. Okay, cool. Hey Martin, you missed the SMT trade. It happened again this morning and it was a W. Yeah, I'll show you. Alrighty, where was it? I think it was right here. It was right here. You have the external low at 1050, another internal low at 1053. NQs took it both out at 1057. ES only took the internal at 1053. So ES only took this one and was right about here. So you'd enter at the 1057 candle. Technically, I would put a 5 point stop, but since the candles were huge today, it's a 10 point stop. It's either 5, 10, or 15, depending on where. I always give it a little bit more room for it to make equal lows and just dig past the low. So today I put a 10 point stop. It's a pretty tight stop, and then you go for a 3 to 1, and it hit. It was beautiful today too. I always enter on NQ if the trade makes sense, if the stop placement makes sense. Like for example, if it happened, if ES took out both lows and NQ was like up here and my stop had to be like 20 points, I won't take it. But if my stop can be 5, 10, or 15 points and it makes sense, I'll take the trade. Like for example here, the 10 point stop made sense because if I really want that SMT to hold, so I give it a bit of room in case it wants to make an equal low with the candle or just dip below, and I put it at the closest, we'll say the 5 point trigger. This here would be 10 point stop. And you go for 3 to 1. Just make sure if you ever take the trades, all the lows are the same. It has to be 1053 on NQ, 1053 on ES, 1050 on NQ, 1050 on ES. Well, one where we've been playing at all-time highs all the time, so normally a bullish case would be better. And over here we tapped into this bullish order block in the last for value gap of this leg. So for me there was like multiple lines of defense. You had that SMT, you had this fair value gap, and this order block. But to be honest, the trade doesn't revolve on why I consider that level so important. I just got my main confluence is make sure that the lows are pretty close, like the 1053 is close to the 1057. If it happened like over here, I wouldn't take it. I need like the two lows, that internal and then the final one that sweeps, to be close to each other. These are just extra confluences that it end up being in the last, like in this fair value gap, and tap this order block and reject it off it. So yeah, this was the morning trade. Many confluences, but it doesn't always have to be there. Just the rules have to the rules have to be there. The confluences are just like added sugar. And then we had David to take this trade this morning. David caught a winner too. He took this short over here. On a normal day, some days I take none, but normally the SMT trade at least happens once to twice a day. But sometimes you can see the SMT trade, it won't happen for 3, 4, 5 days. On average, I take one trade every day if the conditions are right. But wait till you get David talk more about the markets. Guy's a way better teacher than I am. So yeah, the only trade of the afternoon that we saw would be this over here. And it worked. Do, 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 do. Second week, run away while you still can, dude. Get in the car and drive at full speed. Dave, you here, man? Quiet. Oops.
Yeah, I'm here. My allergies are kicking my ass.
Me too, my nose been more stuff here. You gotta take Reactin.
I actually have at home, yeah.
Shamoos. Run as far away as you can. Don't look back. Yeah, so that's pretty much the breakdown of the trades we took today. Two winners, and this was a potential setup if anybody wanted to take it in the afternoon. I didn't personally take it. I didn't touch anything this afternoon yet. Yeah, that's actually what you need. All you need is a good mentor and follow your rules. Emotions, number one. We're exactly the same. He's just a little bit more aggressive. He's a little smarter than me too. But we both trade ICT concepts. We learned from that. Do 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 do. Yeah, Futures 4 trades like an animal. He's a scalper. He's in and out many times in the day. We're more patient. We're like the hunters in the woods waiting for the deer to cross. Yeah, exactly. And he's like the mad scientist. Hopefully we'll get another SMT trade or one of my other trades this afternoon. And be down for two winners. Teach me, baby. Too, my nose is blocked. I don't have Kleenex. What's going on here? So yeah, that's basically it. Mike's like the crazy professor and we're the calm, patient hunters. Do 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 do. You see anything, Mr. David?
Oh, I don't see anything. I have a trade, I'll tell you.
Participe un peu, non? Do, do, do. I gotta take one of your games, Futures 4. And then we could start doing giveaways. Like father, like son. Yo, how crazy was that Call of Duty beef? Dave?
Yeah, I heard you. Yeah, that is pretty insane. And they're on the same team too.
Chill out, you point six guy. Yo, that's crazy.
Why do you think teams are not calling you?
uh, you're a point six type of guy. Yo, it's crazy how fast teams switch it up. Yeah, Teddy, the only trade this afternoon we saw was this one over here. Targeting these highs. It would be maybe take profit one and this one take profit two. Get stuffed, Teddy. That's why you missed it. Get stuffed. So yeah, now we're gonna see Joe Deceives with Sib and Ghosty. Who's the other guy they
Dude,
took? Didn't they just take someone?
nothing's official.
No, it's official. He wrote personal
It's
with a dot,
official.
Neptune. Well, not official because they're trying to get Joe Deceives, but
Yes, it's
Neptune
not
was benched.
official.
Neptune actually got benched though.
Bro, their team is finished.
Yeah, I know.
They took away Envoy. They're benching Neptune. Like,
Yeah.
bro, what are you gonna do now? Reassess and add different
Well,
people nonstop?
who's their other sub though? I forgot.
No idea.
Who did Envoy? Who did they get? They threw Nevoy and they took someone. No, Kremp. Ah, Teddy, you want a Bullinox account? Still going on? Still active? Yeah, that's a crazy change.
It's
But
gonna be
Joe
nice and
Deceives is
warm when we
very
go play
good.
pickleball tonight. You saw?
No, I didn't take a look. What does the weather say?
Weather's absolutely beautiful.
24, 25?
22, 23 when we go play at night. 8:30, 9:30 around.
Yeah, it's gonna be perfect.
When we go play, like we're kids. When we go play.
Yeah, my girlfriend said I was allowed to go play today.
Yeah? She gave you permission.
She gave me permission, yeah.
Which girlfriend?
Okay, yo.
Okay, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Hey, yo.
Getting exposed on stream is wild.
Getting exposed live is wild.
Can you rewind?
You saw that video? Can you
Cut
rewind?
that
Can you
part
just go
out.
back? No,
Cut
we're
that part
live.
out. Cut that
No,
part
we're
out.
live. He's like, oh, okay, well, chat, disregard that. These are the type of people I was talking about. I'm like, oh my God, what is he saying?
Yeah, I saw that. That was
What an
wild.
idiot!
The people that caused you to sin. Like, what the fuck?
Bang, Teddy, bang! Pull the guns out. Teddy's been catching winners. Yo, my nose is so stuffed. My chair is so crooked. Till
Damn
7. We're
allergies.
gonna be 6 people. I hate being 6 people playing. I always gotta rotate. I hate
Or
getting
go sit
off, bro. I'm
flat.
like so old. My knees get like cold and sore. My gym's starting to be packed. People are finding the gym out.
Yeah, it's not like that's a big gym either.
Yeah, I know, but that's the issue. In the beginning, when we started going, we were like four, five, six people in the gym, and it was like all good and fun. Bro,
You
we went
literally don't
today,
need
we
the
were like
wall.
30 people in the gym. I don't get it. Every machine had someone on it.
Not even a bench press.
Yeah, not even a bench press. Doesn't matter. I use Smith for incline, but yeah, still. Crazy. I'm gonna go get Kleenex. I'll be right back.
You do that.
Alright, what do we got here?
You blew
Run,
your schnauzer
Martin,
already?
go, Martin, go. Do your dance dance.
You already blew your schnauzer?
Yeah, I blew my schnauzer. Green guck. Ew. Ew, what's that? Dance. Dance the night away. What do we got here? I need a nap. Dance. Ew.
Oh.
Wow, we're really pushing up again strong, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, I've been bullish every day. There's no reason to expect otherwise.
Crazy movement. ES today came so far low and took out his previous day low, and Q stayed so much higher. We had such a bullish SMT. I really thought when I saw that we were gonna crash for the entire day. I got fooled. Still took a winner. Yeah, futures floor, they're wide apart now. Yes took a mind of its own today. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. I wish I had the best of the best gaming computer. It's so crazy to watch how the pros play on 240 FPS, 360 FPS, max settings, and I'm on low and I could barely hit 120. Ooh. Winner, winner, chicken dinner. Do you remember the gambling movie, Winner, Winner, Chicken Dinner? The count cards? I think it was called 21.
Yeah, it was called 21. Oh, Brandon wants to come watch Scary Movie.
You said Brandon?
Yeah.
Okay, did you buy all the tickets yet?
No? You're buying the tickets.
Yeah, I definitely am.
Yeah,
Yeah,
you are.
I am.
Eric owes you money. It's better that way.
Eric paid me.
I I owe you both money. I don't want to hear
Eric paid
sliders.
me, bro. I'm not buying tickets. I don't know what you think. You think I'm buying tickets for 9 people? I'm gonna ask 9 people for e-transfers. I've been doing that for 5 years, 6 years, and I'm done.
You haven't been to the movies with us in like 8 times. What are you
Let
talking
somebody
about?
else do it. It's fine. Let somebody else do it. All right. Like you, it's so funny how your argument is. I went to Cathcart for the first time, and they all asked me to pay parking. Now you're telling me I'm the first time coming to the theater, but I have to buy the tickets.
It's not your first time.
That's the definition of hypocrite.
It's not your first time.
Anyways, I'm not. Eric paid me, so I'm not buying the tickets. Eric actually gave me all the money he owed me.
You don't even need to buy tickets. You can just go.
He gave me 220. 220.
Just show up there.
Yeah, bro. Dance the night away. Anyways, doesn't matter. Whatever. 2 o'clock. Dun, 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 dun.
You're
Bro,
coming
yes,
with your girl
that's.
anyways. Buy the tickets.
I don't know what that means, bro. I'm not buying tickets for 9 people.
9 people?
Me, you, Kat, Eric, Antonio, Alexi, Raph, Brandon. Where are we at now?
We're at 8. You're missing one.
I'm missing somebody?
Are you?
I don't know. I don't know who else you asked. It's gonna be a funny movie. Eric said I'm bringing food. I'm gonna sneak in KFC. Oh, I remember one time when I sneaked in Wendy's. I brought such a big meal with me, 2 burgers, nuggets, a wrap.
Let's go see if people bought tickets already. No, not one ticket sold at 9:30.
Bro, buy them.
No, I'm not buying tickets for 9 people. I hate texting 2 people, 3 people. It's fine. Texting 9 people is a cancer.
Yeah.
Dance the night away.
Ooh,
Shake your ass. Watch
watch
yourself.
yourself.
Show me what you're working with. That's from what, Scary Movie 1 or like 2 or 3? I don't know which one.
The
The
song you
best
just
one,
said, I have no
honestly, is the
idea.
one with, do you remember? Yamin!
Yeah, I mean,
You know what I'm
Mitsubishi
talking about?
Toyota.
No, you know what I'm
Suzuki
talking about.
Sushi. Huh? No, I have no idea.
For real.
No,
Yamin! Then you're not a real fan of Scary Movie if you don't know that.
no.
There's no way you know Scary
Well,
Movie
tell me
without
the
these two
scene. When does
things.
he say that?
It's either waza,
Yeah, that
that one I
everybody
know you
knows.
know, and then there's Yamin.
Yeah, but tell me when the guy does that.
Bro,
First,
just
who
go on
does it?
TikTok and search up YA, yeah, and then mean. Yamin. You're gonna find it right away.
Oh, est-ce que c'est le gars bizarre blanc?
No, bro, it's
Yamin.
no. Go look.
Oh.
Bro, it's when Cindy takes the girl's jacket. It's like you need to learn how to be cooler. And she's like, yeah, mean.
No, Martin, wrong one. Martin wrote Yao Ming, the basketball player. Nah, it's from a scary movie. It's like a comedy. Right, left, right, left.
Yeah, exactly that
Ooh,
scene. Right,
son.
left, right, left. Yeah, mean. What a cool, bro. They casted the
Yo, that
best
jacket is
character.
tight, son. Yeah, I mean. I just saw it.
Yeah,
It's so
mean.
funny
Did you
how
watch
her
it?
hands are. Yeah, I'm watching. It's hilarious how she puts
Yeah.
her hands too, all crooked.
They couldn't have got a better character to play Cindy.
Yeah, she was good. Yeah, I
Yo, that
mean.
jacket is tight, son.
Yeah, I
Yummy.
mean. Yo, fais attention quand t'écoutes ces bails-là, mets-toi sur mute. By the way, when I played music the other day, YouTube picked it up.
You hear my phone when I watch the TikTok?
Yeah, when you listen to stuff, take it off because then YouTube's gonna
Bro,
send me stuff. I
I know
swear.
you hear that. I don't know how you hear it coming from my speaker. What does it come out of my speaker and back in the speaker? Yummy. Oh my god, what a movie. All right, this movie's gonna make the liberals mad. Yummy.
Yeah, I mean.
It's
Hey, that
actually
jacket is
hilarious.
tight, yo.
Oh my god. Right, left. Then she punches the girl on the floor.
Yeah, I saw. What a movie. I hope they did this one good, bro. I hope they really did it good. Yeah, I mean. Yao Ming, the basketball player. Oh, that's so funny.
Yummy. Any hard time from fair value gaps? No,
Nope.
nothing crazy. But if we're bullish, we're gonna probably respect this 5 minute. We're in at 150. You don't need big retraces when you're bullish, bro. The first fair value gaps normally hold.
Oh, yeah, I mean.
Yummy. Shake your ass. Watch yourself. Show me what you're working with. Oh. But if you draw your fibs from the high of day to low of day, bro,
Yes.
look how we've reacted right off 50% of today. No body closure above. Pure respecting. Yeah, I mean. Draw your fibs, buddy.
My
A
fibs
high of
from
day to
what?
low of day. Huh?
My fibs from high of day to low of day?
You're gonna see where 50% is, bro. It's exactly where we just bounced off of to head lower.
High of day. Let me just erase all my things here. High of day to low of day.
Yeah, I mean.
Yeah, we just tapped the 50% and rejected off it. Bro, like perfectly. Teacher Dave. Watch yourself.
So, yeah, this is what you want to see, this little retrace. And then you start to climb up a bit, form a swing low, sweep that swing low, and then continue up for the rest of the day. Yeah, I mean. But you probably don't even know what I'm talking about because you can't see my chart. Yeah, I mean.
More longs.
Bro, you're long until Trump starts to tweet and say we're bearish. You know what I mean? So here we have our little retracement. Let's form a swing low. Pretend we're going up. Sweep the swing low. And then go up. Yeah, I mean. That's the best thing to look for.
I'm afraid I don't.
You don't, huh?
No, it's a joke. Right, left, right, left.
Um, Kick. Doesn't she kick too? I forgot.
No, I don't think so.
Let me go see. Yeah, she cut. She kicks right, left, right. Kicks her. Yo, that jacket is tight. Yeah, I mean.
I don't remember
Okay, that's
that.
enough.
Yeah, I mean. Yao Ming, the basketball player? Yeah, bro. Push, Martin, push! Martin wants to go lower. Where do we go from here? I don't know, Martin. The market's been pretty bullish lately. I will be careful. Gotta be careful. Watch yourself. It's too bad we didn't take that trade in the afternoon. It would have been like 3 for 3 today. It's a nice run.
What trade in the afternoon?
The close at 124. I really
Oh, that would
liked
have
it
probably
for
been
that
break
in.
even for me after we came back into the fair value gap and closed above the high. I would move my stop to break even. Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what you mean.
for real?
No, I'm kidding.
You're that lost?
I'm confused. All right, let's get a trade. Keep your eyes open.
I'm gonna give you
What
a
does
trade. You're
Bruce
gonna
Lee
say you don't
say?
know what I mean.
Train the mind, train the body. Become like water. What does he say? What's the line? Equal highs. Let's soup the equal highs. Tap 2 o'clock. Soup those highs. Black candle. Go short. And ding, ding, ding. Yeah, Martin, it's crazy how these markets are so bullish lately. Every single move down, every move that looks strong and maybe even a little bit of potential to continue lower does not. Or you'll get one or two, three black candles, and you'll have one green one that completely obliterates the last three bearish candles.
Bless me.
Bless you, bro. Never switching sides, never switching angles. They don't make them like David. They don't make him like Martin. Hey, Martin, break even is way better than a loss, bro. Enjoy the break even. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. That's honestly one of the best memes. They want to throw him off a cliff in the chair. He really doesn't want to go. Let me tell you something. Like as if people are not going to push him off because they really want to hear what he has to say. Right, Dave?
Yeah, I mean,
Yeah, I mean, let me tell you something. Bro, yes is like, looks bearish to me.
yeah, it's bearish. See, I told you we're respecting that 150 5 minute. I told you we don't need to go lower than that to continue pushing up. It'll respect this if it's bullish.
Yeah,
Every
respected it
higher
pretty
time
well.
frame for value gap in this leg down got disrespected also. The last one was a 3 minute. You know what I mean?
Let me tell you. It's honestly fascinating on how bullish we have been. We're going to the moon. Wow, we're really pushing.
Price is in a hurry.
Price is in a hurry.
Ding dong, open the door and Q's here.
Oh.
You know what I mean?
Talking to the moon. See my stream? You see what I'm eating, Dave?
No, because we're on Discord. I can't hear double. It's gonna really annoy me.
Ah,
Why, what are you eating?
a fudgicle.
A what?
The chocolate fudge ice cream.
A popsicle or an ice cream?
You're 2 centimeters away from not passing through that door. Calling me
Huh?
fat. Martin's calling me fat.
Oh, yeah, you're pretty chubby.
Martin, does that look fat to you? 2 centimeters away.
Yeah. You're one standard deviation away from obesity.
Nah, dog. Nah, big. I'm a big boy. Come straight from Big Mike. Mike, big ass nuts. Future's floor has pomegranates as testicles.
That's the low-hanging fruit in the market.
That's what we call low hanging fruit in the market. Mike's nuts. That's crazy. Biceps from Big Mike. You know what's funny? Mike has these huge legs, like he was born from a bull, but we got the big arms. Of course, we trained for it.
You train for it, yeah, I mean.
Martin, weird question. How old are you? 35. Cool. No, not even actually. I go to the gym like 2 times a week, maybe three. As you can see, it consists of a chest day, an arm day, and maybe a back day if I go a third time. But back in the day before, we used to go often, me and David, about 5 times a week for a while. We've been slacking ever since I got a girlfriend. Yeah, I mean, I keep saying it now because you. Price is in a hurry. We're definitely gonna take out probably this buy side at 9.2. We reversed the last forever. I got by that leg. Relatively equal highs here. Some more equal highs here. Well, I'm only comfortable taking longs here, unfortunately. Yeah, I think that target's gonna get hit for sure up here. Most probably. 92.25.
I'm content with my winner from this morning.
Yeah, me too. If I get another trade, I'll take it, but I doubt it. Martin, if you're still here, what do you usually eat at night? I don't know if you're laughing, Dave, but I'm asking him because he's from Spain, so I'm curious.
Did you hear me laugh? No.
I don't know if you did.
Yummy.
I don't know if you did though. Why something you could prepare quick? Do you work overnight? Beef, rice, tuna, salads, chicken. How are the chickens in Spain? Are they full of like pesticides and steroids like our chickens that are like 4 times the size as a normal chicken? The reason why I'm asking is I went to Portugal and all those chickens there are actually real chickens or like 1/4 of the size of the chickens we have here at our grocery stores. My God, the food here is makes no sense. Like we're buying gold. You should see food here makes no sense, bro. Canada, I hate. I want to get out of here. And then we have like cold weather in winter that covers like 8 months out of the year. Are going up pretty rapidly. People compared the prices from 2006, 2010, 15, 20, 20, 26 now, and they kept buying the exact same items every single 5 years to check the price. It started off at like $60, and right now in 2026 we're like at 380. 10, 15 years pass, and we're paying 6 times the amount or 5 times the amount of what we paid before. Food is insane. Bro, it's unreal. It makes absolutely no sense. It's like we're buying gold. Don't you guys like have like bottles of wine that they sell at like restaurants and stuff like that for like $2, a dollar? Yeah, especially salaries did not go up the same percentage at all. Salaries went from $10 to $17, and the groceries went from $10 to $460. Oh, bro. Canada has the potential to be such a better country, though. Our banks are so well structured. They take too much from their people over here. Land of the free my ass taking 55% tax for everyone making over like 100K. Income tax. The people are nice here, I'll give you that. And we have free healthcare, but you'll be waiting at the emergency room for who knows how long. You go to emergency room, you'll be waiting there for you could be waiting there for like 12, 13 hours for they see you. Yeah, the country itself is nice. The people here are very nice, especially where I live. No complaints on the people, no complaints on what we have here as events and stuff like that, but the cost is absolutely ridiculous, and I think the taxes here are just a bit too much. They're taking too much from their own people. Bro, I should be proud, Martin. You're living next to a beach, eating better food, nicer weather, less tax. But yeah, I'm not complaining. I just would like to live somewhere that's a little bit cheaper and better weather. The weather's a big one. In the winter, you wake up, it's dark. You come home, it's dark. Where are we here? And Q. Yeah, weather in Spain is lovely. And you really don't know the difference until you live in Canada and you wake up, it's dark. You come home, it's dark, it's cold. You gotta clean your car, you gotta clean the entrance, you gotta clean everywhere. You have to let your car warm up for like 10 minutes before even driving it. And then when summer's around, you want to spend your time outside, but we're always busy working. And we get here like two max 3 months of good weather. And we don't have beaches around us either. We got cold lakes. Anyways, one day we'll be out of here. In winter, what time does it become dark in Montreal? It rotates as since the planet and the sun and everything, the angles change. But I think on our worst day, Dave, do you know on the worst day when does it become dark? Is it December 23rd?
The worst day? What?
Like when does the sun go down in winter, like midwinter?
Probably around 3 o'clock, 3:30. 3:30. Probably got no more sun, right?
Yeah, yeah. Sorry, it says here around 4 o'clock. So yeah, around 4 o'clock the sun's gone.
Yeah, like be almost up by 4 o'clock. You're almost pitch dark.
Yeah, by 4 o'clock you're pitch dark. You come home, it's completely dark. And then you wake up in the morning at 6, 7 o'clock and it's dark outside too. Welcome to Canada. You go outside and you breathe in air, and your nostrils get stuck together from the cold.
Brazil.
Yeah, we do. We get a lot of snow. Here, I'll show you. I'll try to show stream. I have a video. I have a good one. You'll laugh. Uh, so this is in February. Oh no, I don't even know if he's gonna see it. Let me see. Pull up the camera. So this is the snow in February. You can't even see the cars because there's so much wind. There you go. Look at it. Welcome to Montreal. Imagine waking up and you gotta go clean your car and that's the weather outside. It's snowing so much you can barely see in front of you. Look at that.
Bro, it's not just about cleaning your car. It's cleaning your car when your boogers in your nose feel like rock solid and your eyelashes have ice on them.
Yeah.
You get cold snow in your boots.
But yeah, be proud of your country. Mm. Like I said, good people in Canada will always feel like home, especially where I live, but your first floor to the streets. Yeah. I'll always be proud, but always feels like home when I come back from any type of trip and I want to come home, but I would like to live somewhere else that's a little bit nicer than here. Winters are crazy. No, I haven't. I haven't, to be honest. Have you? If you have what country? No idea, but I heard, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not sure, but I heard it was pretty bad in Argentina at one point. 250% in a year. It's actually crazy what people go through. 'All right, well, no trade for me here yet. So getting dark at 4 p.m. We're getting too much snow. Should be not a major problem. Yeah. Yeah, in the grand scheme of things, of course, but you always want better, you know? You have one life. I'd rather live it near a beach and in the sun than in the dark and cold weather that we have here. We do have it better than 80% of the world at least, but I don't know. Every year I'm here, the more I hate snow, and the more and more I want to get out of here. I'm grateful. I'm grateful. Look, I have a roof over my head, food, water, but I would love to live in another country that's more calm, less noise. I don't like it when it gets too crowded, the cities, and by the water. What do we have here? We have anything here? Where's yes? Nope, nothing here for me. I don't know. I saw there's been a couple people posting in Norway that I find it's like absolutely beautiful there. The weather, the beach, the food. Florida, another great place maybe to look into. Texas, I know Texas is still growing and a lot of construction, so that too could be a good idea. Texas, Florida, Norway, Puerto Rico. Yeah, but not as much. We get a lot of winter, and then we have also the fall that's like cold. You can't really enjoy. You need like sweater and joggers at least. Norway is that bad too? Let's go check. Norway. No, it's not actually. I just Googled it. It says no, Norway generally has milder winters with less snow and fewer extreme cold days in Montreal, thanks to the warming influence of the Gulf Stream, while Norway's inland and far northern regions experience extreme cold. Coastal cities like Oslo see less snow and higher average temperatures in Montreal. It says here daily winter lows frequently drop below -15, and Norway's they average -5. Montreal snowfalls during the winter. We get about 200 to 300 centimeters annually of snow. They get about 90. Yeah, of course, the extreme north is a lot more, but Canada too. If you go to the extreme north, forget about it. You're living in -45 with huskies. Polar bears, yeah, white polar bears if there's still any left. Animals, so cruel, huh? How many go extinct? So sad. Alright, Chad, I'm gonna get off soon. I'm just gonna see if the next candle has any manipulation for these highs or these equal bodies, and if not, I'll get off and call it a day. Thank you for keeping me company, Martin. Appreciate it. Makes my job a lot easier. Enjoy your food. Over here we say bon appetit. I appreciate it. I appreciate it. Sorry. Enjoy your food and enjoy your day. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah. Enjoy. Thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna call it a day here. We're coming back down. Alright, guys. Bye, everyone. Enjoy your days and thank you for tuning in. You're the guy, Martin. You're my boy.